My boyfriend was, or I suppose is, a cocaine addict. In AA terms, they say he's a recovering addict, but I think that there's always an element that once you're a cocaine addict, there's always a cloud that's hanging over you because you are constantly made aware of the fact that it's there, it's part of your life. And when I realised the extent to which my boyfriend was using his drugs, it completely altered my realm of understanding in recreational drug usage and the negative impacts, the severe negative impacts it can have on not only the user but on their friends and family as well. We both partaken in recreational drug use in our early 20s, and I got bored of it, frankly. I just didn't feel like doing it anymore. And I hadn't realised the extent to which he was unable to stop doing it. And I realised he was continuing with the usage, but I think the absolute pinnacle of it was when one morning I got in the car to move his car in order to get mine out to go to work, and there was cocaine across the whole dashboard of his car. He'd been on a bit of a bender the night before, and I realised that it was not quite under control. I went into the house and I said to him, "You better get some rehab options available or we're over." And I went off to work, and I fully expected him to have packed his bags and left, to be honest. But he was still there, and to his credit, when I came back, he had a list of places he thought he should go. And 2 weeks later, he went to Lodge. It's like a Jekyll and Hyde. It is a complete antithesis of who he is normally. He's a kind, fun-loving, energetic guy. In the pinnacle of his drug usage, he was utterly irresponsible. He had absolutely no thought for anybody else except himself. He didn't bear any resemblance to the person that I knew. He would steal, he would lie, he would... as I said, at that stage he was running his own business, and he had completely run his business into the ground. He's a graphic designer. And he just had no care for any kind of responsibilities whatsoever. He was utterly unreliable, lying, deceitful, you name it. For me, I think it's, when you're young, you try things out, you test things, etc., etc. Some of us are lucky enough we can walk away, other people can't. And I think that addictive personality is so misunderstood that some people can have a glass of wine and then not drink anymore, and other people can't. And I think that there's a huge misperception that you can try things and not become addicted. I mean, they say with heroin, one hit and you can be addicted. And you don't really know. It could have been me, actually. It could have been me who was the addict. I think a lot of times people do it to mask stress and things as well. Have a drink or two and you calm down, or a line of cocaine and you think you're invincible or whatever. So I think there are various reasons. But I think Paul is an addict, and that's it.